Dear viewers, welcome to my presentation. Every month, thousands of people arrive in Canada hoping to claim refugee status. But do all of them qualify? In 2025, Canada's refugee system has become one of the most discussed and misunderstood topics worldwide. In this video, I will break down the entire refugee claim process, explain who is truly eligible and what happens step by step from the airport interview to the final decision by the ARB. Under the 1951 Refugee Convention, a refugee is someone who fears prosecution due to race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. Not everyone can make a claim. Canada's border officers first decide if you are eligible to be referred to the Immigration and Refugee Board, which is called IRB in brief. You may not be eligible if you already claimed refugee protection in Canada before, or you have been recognized as a refugee in another country, or you came to a safe third country like the US and did not qualify for exceptions. You committed serious crimes or are considered a security threat to Canada. If you pass this eligibility test, your file goes to the Refugee Protection Division RPD of the IRB. Once you are found eligible, you will need to submit the basis of claim, which is called BOC form. This is your personal story explaining why you fear returning home. You must submit it within 15 days if you made your claim inside Canada. This includes details of your prosecution, evidence like photos, letters, medical or police reports, travel documents or IDs, proof of family members in Canada, if any. Your BUC is crucial. It's your life story and writing. After your claim is filed, you will be scheduled for an IRB hearing, usually within a few months, though backlogs can cause delays, which is occurring now. At the hearing, a board of member, like a judge, listens to your testimony. You will be asked questions about your fear, documents, and timeline. You can bring a lawyer or legal aid representative. The hearing usually lasts 2 to 4 hours and it's your chance to prove your claim in genuine. If your story matches your BOC and evidence supports it, your claim may be accepted, granting you protected person status. If the IRB accepts your claim, congratulations. You are now a protected person in Canada. That means you can apply for a work permit, access healthcare, and after 12 months, apply for permanent residency or PR. On the other hand, if your claim is rejected, you still have options. Appeal to the Refugee Appeal Division RAD within 15 days or apply for judicial review at the federal court. If you lose all appeals, you may receive a removal order. But in some cases, you can apply for pre-removal risk assessment, which is PRRA, if new dangers arise in your life. Many myths are happening right now in Canada and worldwide. So today I will discuss some of the myths and facts here. Number one myth is anyone who arrives at the border automatically gets refugee system. This is not true. The fact is every claim is individually reviewed. Most are rejected without solid evidence. Another myth is refugee claimants get free houses and money. That is also no true 100%. The fact is, they only receive temporary assistance, and most live under financial stress. Another myth is refugee claim easy PR. The fact is, it's a long legal process with strict verification. Finally, Canada remains one of the few countries in the world that truly protects those in danger, but it's not an easy path. If you are planning to claim refugee protection, get legal advice and prepare your documents carefully. Best of luck, and thank you very much for your patience. And if you need more information, please visit this website which I post in this site, or you can also write your comments below. Thank you once again.